Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the journey. I got another trading video for you, so let's get into it. This is the morning of the 11th of July. And yeah, so let's dive deep. So the morning started out kind of going into what seemed to me as an uptrend, and then it dipped down to almost about just above the midline, and then entered a little mini range. So you got some congestion started forming right there. And as the day continued, I realized yet again it seemed to be stuck into another trading range. As you can see, the moves prior, it was up, down, went up a little bit higher, then went down, and then went up again. Just like pretty much yesterday, but I don't know, it seemed to follow the same kind of flowage, as you would say. I couldn't find, at least I didn't see anything that was worth taking in my eyes. I didn't see any moves throughout the whole entire day that really stuck out to me. But what I used today to do was just practice my chart analysis, practice marking up my chart and whatnot. As you can see, I've been utilizing more of my trend channels, more markings, really using these to identify the price action inside the market. I see a lot of people on like YouTube and TikTok. They have like all these crazy little indicators and gadgets and whatnot. But with price action trading, with price action trading, the thing I really like about it is that you don't really have all these crazy indicators, and you don't really need anything to be really marking your chart. If you are analyzing price action correctly, the only things you really need to identify stuff is your trend lines, your trend channels, the support, resistance, and that's all you need. That's all you really should need. And then from there, you can identify key entry points and high probability setups from there. That is what I've been learning so far, and that's what a lot of people preach. And that is what I have come to learn, is that this really is all that you need. It's just to mark your charts, mark your channels, your supports and resistance, and you should be good to go. From there, you can identify different key points, like I said earlier. But as you can see, as we keep going along the day here, it just really couldn't find its move. I thought there was like a double leg kind of down right there, but didn't really see. It just looked to me just as another trading range, just kind of going. Didn't really know where to go, and just a lot of indecision in the market. These days can be good, but they also can be bad. Because I remember I traded some trading range days, and it was like a perfect range where it would go up, hit the top, go down, all the way back down, hit the bottom, and I would enter either at the top or the bottom, and it would work out. But that's the thing about the market, is that it's not always going to be the same. There's different patterns, but the patterns sometimes don't always work out. You may get it right one time, but the next time it can be like, whoa, I thought this pattern was like this. Nope. But you just got to get good at identifying the key entry points and the high probability setups. And that's what I've been coming to learn throughout my time so far, and that's why I'm always continuing to learn and grow myself. But yeah, as you can see, I tried entering a couple trades right here because I thought I was going to go bounce off the EMA, but I just did not like the bars at all. It didn't show any good bars, so I just decided to just sit chill, watch, continue to analyze, continue just to see what else there was. Also, it just started getting kind of later, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna probably call it a day and just kind of continue to watch it. Because around like 4:30 a.m. Hawaii time here till like 5, the market slows way down, way down. Like, it's kind of crazy. So I don't know what time that is for West or East Coast, but it tends to slow a lot down as it approaches lunchtime. And to find a good trade, you can't really. It's kind of hard, but yeah. As you can see, I still analyzing, still seeing what I can see, and that's just the key, guys. Just practice days like this. Practice marking up the charts. Practice identifying, because the more you get good at identifying, you can identify more key setups. And even on days like this, you'll probably find good setups and good trades. Like, there probably was some today that I didn't really see, because I'm still learning. But as I continue to grow and learn more, I'll be able to see more. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Please leave a comment. And subscribe to the channel if you want more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next episode.